Have you ever tried to remove a serger stitch only to end up frustrated, stuck, or worse, ripping your fabric in the process? Well, if you've ever felt like unpicking serger stitches is impossible, you're not alone. Over the last 25 years, I've helped thousands of my serger students gain confidence with their machines. And one of the biggest struggles I hear is how to undo stitches without making a mess. Hi Sewing Bees, I'm Sookie, and today I'll show you 2 easy ways to remove an overlock stitch so you can fix mistakes quickly and get back to serging with confidence. Before we dive in, let's break down what makes up a 4-thread overlock stitch. You've got 2 looper threads, the upper and the lower loopers, which wrap around the fabric edges, and 2 needle threads that hold the seam together. If you try to remove everything at once, you'll end up with a tangled mess. Or worse, you might even tear your fabric. The real trick is knowing which threads to snip and pull, do it right, and it's like a magic trick. You do it wrong, and it's more like a crime scene for fabric. The first method is quick and easy. Use a seam ripper or small scissors to clip the needle threads every 4 to 5 stitches. Once the needle threads are gone, the looper threads will slide right off. No stress, no hassle. Then go back and remove the clippings. By the way, if you like what you're learning and you want to take notes, grab my free Hello Serger mini handbook. It's packed with serger basics and note pages to keep track of your favorite stitches. You'll find a link in the description. The second method takes a little more patience, but works just as well. Instead of clipping, use a seam ripper or tweezers to gently pull out 1 needle thread at a time. Once you have enough of the thread to grab, slowly pull it out, being careful not to snap it. If it breaks, don't worry, just pick up where you left off. And after both needle threads are gone, grab the upper and lower looper threads and pull them away from the fabric. The entire stitch will unravel like magic. And that's it. No more endless picking, no more shredding fabric, just a quick, clean way to undo serger stitches. But now if you need help fixing boo-boo stitches, you absolutely need to go check out this video here. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye.